Our content is intended to be used and must be used for informational purposes only. It is very important to do your own research analysis before making any investment based on your personal circumstances. You should take independent financial advice from a professional in connection with or independently research and verify any information that you find on our website or podcast and wish to rely upon, whether for the purpose of making an investment decision or otherwise.
Let me ask you something, man.
Don't stop. I'm not finished yet.
Do you ever ask yourself,
Don't stop. I'm not
when are
finished
they ever
yet.
gonna stop? Do you ever ask yourself, when those bad boys are gonna stop making all that money?
What's up, my future one percenters? This is Marathon Money, brought to you by MarathonMoneyPlus.com. I'm Cam Jones, the prince of the stock market, aka your favorite billionaire, favorite thousandaire, but I'm a millionaire somewhere. Guess who I'm with? Kitty Coins, man. What's good?
Man, it's made a lot of money.
Stuff,
A lot of money was made. A lot of money was made.
stuff
Can't
flying up.
complain. Everything's flying up, man. Trump's president now. Yo, we just, I feel like all the news is like Trump's president now. They disregarded Joe. There's no regards for this man. But yo,
Man, I want to throw out a freebie for the Marathon Money listeners out there. Something that I've been in for a little while. I was kind of mad that I was in it. This stock DXYZ. I bought it at 26, and then it went down to like $10, $12. It just stayed there for a long months, you know. So what this is not an ETF. What do they call this? They call it a ET. Oh, I gotta pull it up. I had looked it up on my phone. One of my boys was asking me about it. It's a closed-end fund. So what they do is they invest in a bunch of private companies. So it's almost like you getting in as an angel investor on some of these companies, even though you're not an angel investor, you're just invested in private companies. So what they have in their portfolio is SpaceX, Epic Games, OpenAI, which is ChatGPT, Stripe, which y'all know I love Stripe, and some other stuff in there that's pretty good. And Kenny, I'm surprised you haven't brought this one up because shares outstanding is only 10.8 million,
no.
and now it started to fly up again. So my only regret right now is that I didn't buy more at that $10-$12 range.
It's always that same regret.
Yeah, but I'm in it though, and it's one of the ones where, like, if you want access to OpenAI or SpaceX or Stripe, which I really wanted Stripe to go public this year or last year. I forgot when it was rumored, but they said nah. I really like Stripe. I really want that stock. But if you want exposure to that or some of these other companies, you want to grab this DXYZ. But with the share outstanding being so low, it's a lot of volatility, or maybe not a lot of volatility, but it's not that liquid. It's been liquid the past 3 or 4 days just because Elon Musk is SpaceX, and all Elon companies been moving.
What was the ticker symbol one more time?
DXYZ.
Nah, the Destiny ticker.
Yeah.
Man, I actually was talking to the CEO of this guy, the CEO for this.
Destiny Tech.
Yeah. It's an Indian dude.
Okay.
Let me see. Sohail.
Okay.
Yeah. It's crazy. Bro, it was on Thursday. I reached out to him
Mm-hmm.
about this, man.
Yeah.
Yeah, they got like crazy stuff on the yeah, I'm definitely gonna reach out now. I'm definitely gonna try to get him on the podcast now. But yeah, I was reading up about this on Thursday.
Yeah, they got some.
I was reading about this on Thursday, man.
They got some good
But
stuff in here. A
man,
lot
let
of
me tell you
like
something.
future company type stuff.
No. When I read about this on Thursday, this thing was not at $36 or 40. It was at $26.
Yeah, it was at like 20 something, man. Then Friday it went up. It actually went up 63% just on Friday. $14 went up $14.10.
How long have you had it?
I've had it since like May.
Jeez.
And I had heard about it because they had like I said, they had Stripe. I really wanted Stripe stock, some Stripe exposure. And then I saw it
be in there since like the $9 days.
Yeah, I you know what? I didn't buy. The problem was, okay, when I bought it in May, it had came down from like $105.
Ooh.
And so, I was like, I want this. I'm gonna get in it. And then it just kept going down. So I'm like, man, this is a falling knife. You know what I'm saying? But I stayed with it because, like I said, I like Stripe. I was like, I want Stripe exposure. But I did not buy any more because this was like doing. If you just look at the chart, it went from 105 almost instantly down to like $13 or so.
Yeah, when I hit that year to date.
Yeah, man.
I seen it. I hit that year to date. I seen it. I seen it, man. That's the thing about this, man.
And they got another company in here that I like, which is Plaid. So I think a lot of people really like that they have OpenAI in there, but obviously their number one holding is SpaceX, which is 37.6%. So that's SpaceX. I don't think that they'll go public, but that's a good company to, be the number one holding of your. This isn't an ETF, but whatever this is, a conglomerate of stocks or whatever. I want to buy some more of it. I don't want to buy more of it up here. Obviously, I want to buy it at $10, $13, but I don't know if that'll happen again. But we'll see. If I could get it back under 26 where I got it at, I'd start throwing a little more money into it. But it has violent moves, as you can see.
You probably want to check out the other one, FRGE. He used to be the former CEO of that one too.
FRGEE?
Yeah, no, FRGE.
Okay. Global Holdings. This one's only $1.
He's a former CEO of that one.
FRGE, secondary platform. Okay, I like secondary markets. That's like private companies,
like retail investors, but early. Yeah, man, early private shares. That's what's up, man.
I'm trying to see what's in this one. This is a good look right here, Kenny. Let's see what's in this. The problem that I have with this one is that it did not go up this week. That doesn't.
I don't like that.
Try to see what companies are in this. It has like OpenAI in here. Miso Robotics. I remember I was going to invest in that secondary market, but I didn't. SpaceX, but I don't know if these are all in this fund. I don't know what this is. I had to do like more.
Yeah, we gotta do some research.
Some
man.
research on this one
today.
Yeah. Yeah. But, it went down 10% on Friday. That's not a good sign right there.
Man, Trump said he has no plans to sell Trump Media stock. Of course he doesn't.
Yeah, that's what made it go up
Yeah.
a little bit.
Man, I'm only talking to Trump Media reporters. I'm only giving my correspondence on Truth Social.
I would think he'd do some stuff on X also, but I understand
Yeah.
if he was only messing around with Truth
I
Social.
wouldn't be surprised, bro.
I wonder what the user growth is since he got elected, since he won the election. What's the user growth of Truth Social? It probably grew like crazy.
I remember I told you way back in the beginning of the year that it will grow like crazy. Man, the net monthly users still under a million, bro. That's 607,000 a month, bro. Man, be honest, bro. It really only been active for like 19 months too.
Yeah, it is fairly new since it came out. It's only been about 2 years or so.
2020, February 21st, 2022.
Yeah,
it's not haven't really been.
That's funny.
That's been crazy, man.
We're gonna see how it roll, but I don't think I would. If I was at DJT, I would be looking to trade it, not invest in it.
No, yeah. Man, what do you think about gold? Gold is climbing.
Yeah, gold. I've liked gold. I've recommended it to people personally, and they've done pretty good on it. I've just never owned it. It's just never been. I don't know why. It's just one of the one things that I've just never owned that I thought was good to own. I just never did it for some reason. I don't know why. But I do like it. It's been steady. I think Extra used to like gold also.
No,
yeah,
man,
gold,
gold.
247 right now. I remember this one girl asked me about it. It was like $105 like last year or something like that. Dang, I missed out. It's a good chart too. Good looking chart. Just on the GLD.
Man, we need to talk about Reddit, bro. Reddit might be going to 200.
I'm salty I missed out on that. I am salty. When they did the IPO, I remember I think it went down to like 35 or something like that. And I never bought it.
I was the one saying like we should pick it up.
Never got it.
And he was like, nah.
I don't think that happened. I don't remember that, but I remember me personally thinking about picking it up.
I grabbed me some, bro. The only thing, man, I should have done, bro, when it went from 70 back down to 50, I should have just said, you know what? Forget the trading price average and bought it. Nah, bro.
Yeah, that'd be my problem when my average is low. I'm like, man, I ain't trying to buy it. I ain't trying to bring my average up.
Man. It was $39. It's still $39, but man, I was like, man, I don't even want to mess with it. And I was like, should have copped it at 51. Now I have 4 little shares. I hate that.
Yeah, I should have messed with Reddit. I guess I still can. It's a big gap right here from the earnings.
Man. We still, like I'm saying, we still can mess with it, bro. We can still.
It's like I said on Marathon Money Plus. A lot of these stocks they're way above the 20-day moving average. It's just not. I feel like a lot of these stocks, if you've been in them, this is great. But if you looking, There's no deals right now.
This thing is way above the 20-day moving, way above the 50-day, way above the 200-day completely.
It ain't no.
Damn, man, there's a massive gap.
Yeah, at
It's a
earnings.
massive 79. Man, that thing. You think it might come down?
Yeah, I'm pretty sure it's gonna come down. Is it gonna go down to 80? I don't know. But
Nah,
you
bro,
know,
let me
I'm
just-
not
let me
looking to
get-
get
let me get
into it
under-
at
let me get-
134. I might, if, under 100, it's gonna have my
I'm in.
interest. Under
I'm
100,
in.
it's gonna have my interest.
I'm in. I'm in. Whatever Reddit's on, I'm in.
I
If
don't
it's
think
under 100.
I don't think that right now is the time
Nah, too rich for my blood.
to grab almost anything.
Oh man.
You gotta wait.
Yeah.
Give it some time for all this stuff to cool off, and then grab. You grabbing at dumb, stupid highs right now if you get almost anything, except for this Forge. Wait, I'm looking at. I'm looking at this right here. I can't wait to get off of here, and so I can check out what's in this thing, so I can see if I want to get some or not. Because that's DX, that Destiny one. I mess with that one.
Once that Destiny come down a little bit, let me catch it under 30, under 35. I might cop it. Nah, I'm gonna be on top of this, man. It's like, yo, at this point, you gotta get on my show. Nah, bro. Man, that's all I really got, man.
All right. Yeah. Yo, make sure you follow me anywhere at Camboni11, CAMBONI11. Instagram, X, StockTwits, Snapchat, Truth Social, wherever, man. Where can they find you, Kenny?
Marathon Coins. Yo, everybody check out the new site. When you get that little pop-up, put your email in, press confirm, and then go to your email and confirm it from there, and it'll lead you back to the site. We do have some senior CEO interviews from publicly traded companies coming on, but if you want to get more alerts of the next coming up, subscribe to us. Man, peace.
All right, y'all. Peace.